got a gorgeous bike. And we'll start off. They gave me this cool helmet, which is a half helmet because I need to wear my glasses. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty good. The bike's really good. And I just drove it a few hundred meters. It's really nice. Now we'll head over to the petrol station and get some petrol done because they really give you, just enough petrol to make it to the station. So I didn't have my breakfast, so I'm taking some bananas with me on the road. I think that's pretty helpful. We'll have some breakfast on the way in the highway, and hopefully we get some good place and a safe place to eat. Okay, thank you guys. Just refueling our bike, and the petrol prices are really high. And this is something you have to live with. That's really much it. We'll wait for my friend over here, and after that we'll see. So what's up? How are you?
I'm good.
So Sayeed is here with us, and he's got his awesome Avenger. Nice. Look, it looks so cool. And look at this guy.
Like me.
Cool dude. Yeah, I know. I mean, it's really amazing. So I'm really excited for it. And this is the first bike trip that I'm having in India, like a really long one. So there's Sayeed, which is awesome looking bike. Just pull up in front and I'll show you guys. Yo, that's a cool looking bike. I mean, it has, what is it? I mean, do or die. I mean, it's a really cool looking bike. I mean, and this is my bike over here. You can see Thunderbird 350. They have the branding over there. Okay, so should we get started, Sayeed?
Yeah, bro. Let's go.
Some tunes. Brown wood. So we got some tunes going on, and we'll just begin our journey. The guy just gave us here. So yeah, it will take 2 hours from here, right? Dude, and you look so cool, you know. Like people say, like just drive once. He looks so badass, you know. I mean, it looks like a chopper. Pretty good. And if you guys are wondering where Sayeed got his bike from, he rented it from a private person. I mean, you can do that. It's much cheaper, by the way. But it's not a guarantee that your bike will actually be good. But I mean, go for it. Definitely go for it. So now we'll begin the journey.
ਚੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਢਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਓ ਬਾਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਜੀਨਾ ਲਾਈਫ.
So we're taking a small break over here, wherever we are. I'll put the location and time. Don't worry about it. But here we are, like, gonna take some time. We are waiting for a friend over here. Hopefully she picks up the call. Okay. Say that again, say that.
You are driving too slow.
You wait, wait.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah, I'm actually driving pretty slow. No, I don't know, because traffic I can't drive.
Be safe. But be safe doesn't mean to 10 की स्पीड से चलाए, ठीक है?
Yeah, I'm driving
20-30 तो चला.
Yeah, so here's some constructive criticism by saying I'm driving too slow. I'll try to speed up.
Drivers.
Yeah. So we ditched our jackets now because it's getting too hot. Like crazy hot. I'm getting roasted. So we'll ditch the jackets. We'll directly go to a place where we can take photos, right?
Yeah.
And go for it. Okay, let's drive. We stopped here for a while to wear our jackets again, and we have some little friends with us. The thing is, it's a 20 kilo. Wait. I swear. The thing is, they steal stuff. You know. We're like cheeky monkeys, you know. You can never stay. So we'll be here for it. And the thing is, it's a 20-kilometer area. I mean, speed limit, right?
Yeah.
So, and these guys were coming on the road, so we were like, let's stop for a while. And see what's up. Maybe there before that. Why did you hit my bike? Huh? Why? Why do you do this? Tell us that. So we stopped at this stall for a while. That's Sayeed.
Rohan all बोल रहा है.
Huh? I know, right? He called us bro. He's like,
साफ हिंदी है.
it's like ek chai diya na bro, which means like I give you one tea, right bro? And Hindi is also pretty good. And this beautiful lake here. And before that we drove through this mandir, which had a lot of monkeys on the road, so we had to like drive cautiously. This is amazing. It's a beautiful temple. There are some cows over there. And there's a buffalo. Right? And there are some hills over there too.
लोग लुंगी पहन के जा रहे हैं. क्योंकि गर्मी है. हम लोग लेदर जा रहे हैं.
Yeah. I think we should take it off again.
नहीं, we need to keep it on high.
Yeah, we are like 30 minutes away from the Medak fort. So we stopped at this place, which is in the middle of nowhere. Honestly, we have this small temple here, and we had a lake. We actually stopped for the lake to take some photos. And there are some farmers here with their cows and buffaloes. Just the village life, no?
Sayeed.
Countryside. Yes, this is Sayeed.
Yeah.
Follow him or don't. You know, I'm not the police. Okay, so we're gonna take some clicks and leave. This is getting too hot, right?
Thanks.
That's where we are supposed to go, but we are down here. We need to find a way, and Google Maps is being like really hard on us. So let's hope we find a way. We'll ask some local guys. Sayeed, look at this thing. वो हरिता वाले रिजॉर्ट है नहीं?
हाँ
सही है.
मेन रोड से ऊपर है.
किले को जाना है आपको.
हाँ.
तो ऐसा स्ट्रेट जाना, मार्केट है अभी आगे. पता है मार्केट आपको, वहाँ से राइट लेना, राइट लेके ऊपर चढ़ना.
जल्दी आ रहे.
पूरा नीचे वाला था रोड पे.
कितने से?
स्ट्रेट जाना, राइट लेना, आगे मार्केट आगे राइट लेना.
शुक्रिया. So we found the way apparently, and we just have to keep going up. See the view, the view is amazing. And we need to keep going up. We have finally reached after our 100 kilometer drive from Hyderabad. Take off my mask. And we are like soaked in our sweat, but it's really cold here, like a windy. You know. I've been lying to my viewers. Okay? But look at the view. It's amazing. See, there's a tomb there. Which we came. It's really
the view
hot.
is better now.
Huh?
The view is better now.
Definitely. So we'll go up fast. Still have to walk a lot. We'll go up fast and check in our room. Look at the view.
रिजॉर्ट का है एंट्रेंस का है रिजॉर्ट का यही है
We got it. Found the resort. Okay, so the trip should have been 2 hours drive, but we took 3 hours because we are special. Look at. It's a beautiful place. I'm not gonna lie. It's an actual fort which we are living in. That was a surprise, but I ruined the surprise. It's got $1 million view. Amazing. Just amazing. So we'll check in our hotel room now. And then we'll do something about it.
ब्रो
So this is the view from our hotel. That's the Medak Cathedral, which we'll be going in a while. And this is our room.
कार्ड स्कैन करते हैं
This is the living room,
यू कैन लिव हियर
and this is the bedroom. I mean, it's good for a fort. I mean, you can see the architecture in white paint. This is what you get in Medak. It's cool. We have AC too, right? Yes, we have an AC over there. Pretty cool. We have a dresser area. Nice.